Ascentis is an awarding organisation and an education charity based in Lancaster. One of the key challenges that we face at Ascentis is bringing our qualifications to life. As we don't really offer a physical product, it can be really hard to capture the essence of what we do and how we help our learners and our tutors as well that we work with in the colleges. We initially used Bigtank about 2 or 3 years ago. Each of the videos has a different objective really, so we have to look at what we're trying to achieve and then work back, and Bigtank are really brilliant in looking at what our end goal is and then creating something that works to meet that goal really. We took the time to understand our business goals and needs and to try and find a solution that would work really well for us. They're now a key part of our marketing strategy in the UK and overseas as well. And with the help of Bigtank, we've been able to launch new products. We've grown our customer base massively. We've increased our online engagement and following and increased our revenue. Business is certainly better for working with them as a company.